So this is my fourth video. As I said in the previous one, I was going to do a review just on the Totally Wicked Tornado RCS kit because I had a small problem with it. Still don't really know what that was, but charge the battery up, clean the tank out properly, make sure it's all dried off correctly. I won't go through it all in detail because you can go back and watch the previous video. So tank cleaned out, show you how to fill it up, and then I'll show you how it vapes. So what I'm going to put in it here is a Totally Wicked liquid, raspberry flavour, 10ml bottle, 11mg. Not used this before, it's the first time it's been opened, so do this so you can see it. Fill it down the side so it's not going down the centre tube. I'm not going to fill it right up. Screw it back on. Make sure it's all nice and tight. So what I'm going to do here is show you the two different modes, as this has got a regulated power and an unregulated power mode. Show you the regulated first. So 5 clicks to turn it on. And press and hold the button. So you can see it works very well. A lot better than it worked in my last video. So just 5 clicks to turn it off. Press and hold the button for about 10 seconds. It flashes. 5 to turn it on. And now it's on the unregulated mode. So quite a bit more vapour. So as you can see, it's very good. It's probably, out of all mine, probably one of the best, if not the best, and it is my main vape. Just talk a little bit about the e-liquid. I get most of my e-liquids from Totally Wicked. The only other place I buy them from is Safer Cigs. Totally Wicked, I wouldn't say they're my favourite out of the two. I probably couldn't pick between the two, but their fruit flavours, I think, my favourite ones come from Totally Wicked. And this raspberry, never had it before, that's the first time I've tried it. I'd say it's pretty fantastic, really. So that's the Tornado. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you liked this video and watch my other ones. Thank you.